Yo, what's good, YouTube? Got another recap for you guys today. Didn't take any trades today, but I'll just go over what I saw in the market. So on daily, let me just get rid of the drawings. Okay, so on the daily, since we had Thursday, Friday, so today was, so since we just passed these lows and since we closed below them, I was searching for like this low or like fill in more of here. So I had a bearish bias going into that. On the 4 hour, however, I saw a fair value gap that could be filled along with some highs up here that might be want to get to what that might want to be that might want to be taken out. Also had equilibrium marked out here. Yeah, 4 hour equilibrium, 4 hour fair value gap, and daily equilibrium. On the 1 hour, however, on the 4 hour before price opened, we had a bearish structure on that. But on the 1 hour, we had bullish structure. So going into the day, I was looking for sells. So on the 30-minute, had London highs, London lows, and then Asian lows down here. Asian highs were up here somewhere, but wasn't really trying to. It was with the London high, so it wasn't really that important to me. So on Forex Factory today, we had 1:30 news today, 1:30 red folder news. So didn't really affect the market because it was actually just exactly what it was expected. So it has some of an effect like right here, but this was not even part of that. So market opened within the London high, pushed past it, came back down, looking for a break of structure to the downside. But since so we got a break of structure down here, and then got a retracement down here, inverse this fair value gap, but I didn't want to enter because this looked like a sudden move that could be potential reversal, and I wanted to see closure below this low, as like below the box that I had marked out, which was the London high wick. So then once that happened, price just retraced back in, and then I couldn't really get an entry off that because I didn't really like. Another reason why I didn't really want to enter it because like price didn't seem to have any direction today, and I wasn't really sure if these things wanted to get hit, so I just didn't enter because I had like no idea what price was trying to do today. So yeah, and the price just moved from like chop throughout the entire thing, and pretty not really good conditions that I would want to trade. Emotions I felt and what I could do to improve. I felt, kind of wanting to take a trade because I didn't trade I did trade yesterday, but I just I don't know. I felt kind of like I was missing out once I saw these big runs to the upside or the downside, and I also felt a bit like confused on like what the heck price was trying to do. But now looking back in hindsight, I could just say like price was trying to seek out this low, but since it closed below. So looking for these lows to get taken out, even though that's barely anything, could have set my eyes on this low down here, but I wasn't really sure because there's a huge imbalance here that I thought would want to get filled along with equilibrium at least. So I was just lost on that. And then on GBP JPY daily, so I had no idea what was going on here. So we pushed below, low. So then looking for this to get taken out, nothing happened. But then we got this high taken out, pushed to the downside. This one took out the high, looking down, and then once this one got taken out, pushed below and closed below. So what I was thinking was we would want to try taking out this low, and not really looking at this high because we had closed below the body of that past candle. 4-hour structure was bearish prior to market, so it was in line with my daily bias. 1 hour was also 1 hour was bullish, however, so it was a bit like not fully aligned. But since we had, but like yeah, so yo, I'm all over the place today. Okay, so then we had equal highs up here on the 4 hour, and I think this was also, yeah, so this was the highs that I would think would that, because price opened like right here, so I was thinking that these highs would want to get taken out and then we tank to the downside. So that's why I had a bearish bias today. Had London highs up here, London lows here, Asian highs here, and Asian lows here. Yeah, I don't, that today I just didn't. I feel like today I was just like not locked in, you know. But, anyways, price opened like right at London highs and then pushed past these previous highs that were marked out from before, previous day highs, and then price came back into the high, and then I was potentially thinking like maybe price would want to go higher and take out the higher highs up here on the 1 hour. But since we had just taken out these highs, I just thought price would want to go down, so I didn't buy off of this. And then once price came into this high, kept on going down, didn't really see a proper entry point. Could have gone long on this maybe, but like I didn't really want to trade on this wick city and like just uncertainty in the market, and then price just tanked down. And this was too late into what I'm trading, because I'm trying to trade from 6 to 8 my time, so this was just a bit too late for me to look at. Yeah, that's it for today. I can't lie, today I was rambling. I'll try getting better at this. I think I'm just nervous for YouTube, but yeah, if you liked it, like the video, consider subscribing so you can see here from the jump. And yeah, goodbye. Yo, what's good? You